Hey everyone, this is Angie at Stampin'Withamore. Welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit that bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. This is quick and easy day, and I had a request from someone to make something very quick for like a large, super large group of people, and something really quick that would be for Halloween, but I thought I'd also share a Christmas one if you want to do something for Christmas. So this is for a friend that requested this, and this is definitely super quick and easy, and you don't even have to, like, I'm going to crimp the ends, you don't even have to do that, but I'll show you this all. It's so quick. It is so quick that I'm going to show you one Christmas version and one Halloween version, but this is a great way to use your 6x6 designer series paper. So this one just is less tricking, more treating, and this paper is so cute. And then this one is also from the same designer series paper, 6x6, and this just says trick or treat, and I cut out the little bat on this one because they're little vampire bats. And then this one I used from the gingerbread, and I just cut out the little snowflake on this one because she wanted really quick and easy, and instead of stamping it, I just cut it and I stamped the sentiment and put the sentiment across on this one. You can fit a lot of goodies in here. On this one, I actually put a bunch of Hershey's miniatures. You can get these at the Dollar Tree. They have like bags of those. And really for $1, you can get quite a few. If you get 2 or 3 bags, you can get quite a few. And I put like maybe almost, I put 5, I think, 5 or 6 pieces in here. And I still have like 3 in the bag. So I don't know if it's as good of a deal that you can get at Walmart, but it is something you can get at Dollar Tree. This one I put in a full Reese's peanut butter cup. And then this one, I just stuck in a Reese's Fast Break, one of these miniatures, but I could fit definitely 2 more into this one. So you can fit a lot of candy in these. So let's get started with these because they're so darn cute and they're so easy. First thing that we can do is get their cut and emboss. Guess what I'm using? The basic borders again. This time I'm using this little edge. Honestly, you don't have to do this. It adds a really cute touch though. We're using this one this time. I used this on my card yesterday, which is right here. I'll link that somewhere in this video. I'm going to just tell you right now everything I'm using before I run these through. So this is the gingerbread in peppermint 6x6. That's what I'm using for this. It has the dies for this, which are the gingerbread dies, and that's what I cut the little gingerbread cookie out of. So this is the stamp set, and then I use the Happy Holidays on here, whole bundle right here. You can save 10% by getting both of these. And then this is the designer series paper for that. Then I am using the cute Halloween designer series paper, and it's definitely cute. I love the little patterns on this. This one's so perfect for Halloween, and you can make so many out of here. And then we are using the Frightfully Cute bundle. So on this one, I'm using the Less Stricken, More Treating and the little pumpkin. And then these are the Frightfully Tag dies. And I am actually using the tag on both of the projects today, the same tag. And it comes from these Frightfully dies. All right, now let's go ahead, and I'm going to run both of these through at the same time so we can get both of these tops done. And all you're going to do is put this up at the very top. I love how it looks like a little bag at the top. So just put that through. Make sure this is always inside your plates here because you don't want to bend this die. So we're going to run that through. So there's your little top on there. And then we're going to do it on our Halloween paper. All right, so there's the other top, but like I said, you can just leave it straight. You don't need to do that, but it does add a cute little touch to it. All right, and since I already cut out what I'm using for this, we don't need to use that anymore. So here's our 2. I did use this piece and I cut out the little peppermints. So I cut out 3. I don't know if I'm going to use 3 or just 2. And then I did on the Christmas one already stamp with cinnamon cider. I stamped the wishing you a Merry Christmas. That's going to go with this one. And I also cut out another one of our dies, and we're going to use this one, and we are going to do the less trickin', more treating, and I'm going to do this time with pumpkin pie because I'm using a different pattern paper. So I'm going to put that here, and then I'm going to punch our little pumpkin on the bottom. These definitely will go super quick, especially if you have one person stamping, one person cutting and putting it together. It's one of those really, really, really quick and easy. All right, so for this one, I am using my grosgrain ribbon in Highland Heather. So we're going to use this one. I love this ribbon. It's so, so pretty. And then on this one, we are going to be using the mini ruffled ribbon on that. All right, let's go ahead and get these put together. So you need some tear and tape. This will be the quickest and easiest because if you use wet glue, you're going to have to hold it for a while. And this just goes along one side. So we're going to do both at the same time. Make sure those are all sealed down. Then we'll remove our backing. I don't think I've ever done one both at the same time, but they're so easy. It's really quick. I do line up my little points here on these and then just seal that down. And then this is the back, so you want to push that down, flatten these. I'm going to do the same with this one. So you can see how super quick these are going. They fit a good amount of candy. So it's a really, really good one. I think I may even be doing these for the nursing home this year, because I believe we can go in. I talked to one of my friends. I didn't get that straight, so I'm just gonna. And then we're gonna do the same with this. Where the seam is, you want it in the back. I'm going to use wet glue for this bottom part. So just put some wet glue at the bottom here and then just seal that. And then I am using my little crimper for this. You don't, like I said, you don't even have to do this part. You can leave this just flat like that. Put your candy in, put your tag on. But I am going to crimp the end because it is so cute, crimped. So this is one of my little, this is a Fisker crimper. Someone asked me what it was before. So I am going to just crimp the bottom because it's so cute. I'm going to crimp the bottom of that. These are good for classrooms too. I didn't get that one straight. I'm not getting anything straight on this one. There we go. And I'm going to trim a tiny bit of that off here because that was the one I didn't get straight on top. So there we go. So I am going to then take my little punch. We're going to punch a hole in the top of this one. That's for that one. And this one I'm going to do it on the side. On this one I'm going to attach these little candies, and I'm going to do, I think I'm going to do, I don't know, let's see. Let's do one there, and then I think I might just pop one more up on there with a little dimensional. Yeah, I think we'll just do 2 on there. I can do another one maybe down here. Let's just do 2. Let's make it really quick and easy. All right, then I'm going to take my ribbon This one's gonna go around. She wanted them for Halloween, but I thought I'd just throw this in here because, you know, Christmas is around the corner and it comes so quick and we need to get our stuff ready beforehand. All the stores are getting in all of their Christmas stuff already. You might want to put something in here. I'm gonna grab a couple of these, because when you put your ribbon on, you want it to be kind of loose so that you don't tighten it so much that your candy isn't going to fit in. And then I'm just going to cut the ends. I'm just tying a knot, cutting the ends like a kind of like a bow. Like that. Let me grab another one here, and then we're going to use the Highland Heather ribbon on here. I'm going to put this one. This is a bit wider, so it's a little bit harder to get through this tiny hole, but it goes. This ribbon is so, so cute. Oh my gosh, I love this ribbon. It's glittery, and it's Highland Heather, one of my favorite colors. And then again, I've got glue on these. I have to clean these. I don't know how I did that. And then there you have it. Super, super quick and easy. Little tags. The tag is from the Frightfully You bundle, but you can use any tag that you have. And so look how quick and easy. Here are the other ones. So we got 3 Halloween and 2 Christmas. So I hope you enjoyed them, everyone. I love the little top on it. I love these border dies. They're just so cute, and it just adds that little touch that I thought it needed, and the little crimping on the bottom adds to it too. But like I said, you can keep them straight and not even crimp the bottom. So I hope you enjoyed it, everyone. Tomorrow, the 30th, is the last day for celebration. So get in your orders. I've been reminding and reminding because every year I always have someone that misses out and is disappointed. So have a blessed one, everyone. I'll catch you in the next one. See you later.